Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can create a card in Trello when a calendar event starts in Google Calendar. So if you are a busy professional or a business person and you want to stay organized and do not want to miss out any tasks, this automation is for you. Here we are going to connect Google Calendar with Trello in such a way that whenever an event starts in Google Calendar, a card will be created in Trello automatically so that you can see the calendar event happening in Trello and you can stay on top of your tasks. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super easily. So let's begin. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted this same link in the description as well. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now from the given link. After that, you have to sign in, and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Google Calendar to Trello cards. Okay. So after filling the name like this, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response, automated response of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, starting off an event in Google Calendar will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be is to create a card in Trello. So first of all, you have to choose the trigger event here. So search for Google Calendar. Here it is. Okay, select it. Then you have to select the trigger event as event started. Okay. Then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google. And from here, you have to choose that Google account by which you have the access to the calendar. So select that account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account. So just click on continue from here and you will be connected with Google Calendar. You can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. Here it is asking for the calendar's name. So the calendar I'm using here is this one. So this is my calendar and the name of my calendar is Pabbly Connect. Okay. So you have to select the calendar's name here from this list. Okay. So I'm selecting here. Now guys, by clicking on save and send test request, you can fetch the details of an event which is going to start or getting started. So this is my calendar, you can see, and this is an event you can see, and it is already started. The YouTube integration event, it started 10 a.m. on 24th, which was yesterday, and it is going to end at 26th, and today is 25th. So this event is already started. So as I'm going to click on save and send test request here, the details of this event, the YouTube integration event, will be fetched in our workflow. Okay. So you can see the dates. It is going to start at January 24th and it is going to end at January 26th. So it is running. This event is happening right now. Okay. So I'm clicking on save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received the data, and you can read in the summary, we got the title of the event, YouTube integration, and you can see the time zone, the start date, okay, and the original start time of the event, the organizer's name, okay, and here you can see all other details. The description of the event is also here. Okay, we have to integrate YouTube with Pabbly Connect. So this is the description I have put. It is also here, right? So this is how you can capture the details of an event which is starting or running. Okay. Now guys, I want to create a card for this event in Trello. For that, we are going to use this action step, and in this action step, just search for Trello. And the action event you have to choose here is create a card with plain text type description. Okay, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the username of Trello, the API key, and the token key of your Trello account. So you can see the username from your Trello account's profile. So this is my profile icon. I'm just going to click here, and you can see the profile invisibility option here. Click on it, and here you can see this is the username. So you just have to copy this username and you have to paste it here like this. And here it is asking for the API key and the token key. So if you are logged in your Trello account, you just have to click here on this here word written in blue in the help text, and you will reach this page, the API key or the developer keys page of Trello. From here, when you scroll down, you will find this personal API key. You just have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Okay, and then you can generate a token, and to generate a token you have to click here. You can manually generate a token. Okay, and here it will ask to connect with your server token, and here you have to scroll down and click on allow button, and here's how a token will be generated for you. So you just have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Okay, then click on save and you'll be connected with Trello like this. Okay, and here it is asking to choose the board in which you want to create a card. So in my Trello account, let me show you here, we have the workspaces, and these are the workspace, and we have the boards here. Let me show you the boards. All right, so this is the boards page, and here we have two boards here, the Pabbly test board and the Pabbly video team board. So let me select this one, Pabbly test, and these are the lists I have in which we can add the cards. So this is a to-do list, a doing list, and a done list. Okay, so I want to add the card in this doing list because the event is happening right now. Okay, so let me just select the board, Pabbly test, then select the list, doing, and here it is asking for the name of the card. So I'm going to give the name from the data I have received here in the previous step from Google Calendar. Okay, so we are going to map these labels I have received here in this field. So you just have to click here on the name field, and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and from here you can map the summary or the name of the event like this. Then you have to provide the description. So just scroll down and find the description here, map it. Then you have to select the position there where you want to put your cards, top or bottom. So select bottom. Then it will ask for the member ID, label IDs. These are not compulsory things, so I'm leaving all these things blank. You can have a due date as well, but the event is right now running, so I do not want to put a due date. You can use this data if you want. Okay, and here you can check your connection with Trello by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and a new card will be added in this doing list here in this board. Okay, so let me show you. I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and this is the response we have received. Now let us check in our Trello board if we got a new card, and here you can see a new card. It is added here like this, named as YouTube integration, and you can see the description as well. We have to integrate. So this is the same events data that we had here, which got added here as a card in Trello. So you can see that things happening in from this card only, from this board only, you can see the things happening in Google Calendar or anywhere. So this is how you can connect them both, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, it is going to check in every 10 minutes. You can see the trigger is for every 10 minutes. In every 10 minutes, this trigger is going to check if there is a new event starting in Google Calendar, and if it finds any, this is going to trigger the workflow and a card will be created automatically. So guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, Please ask your queries from this forum link and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.